Well, I cut that off, but it's not straight. So I need to do it again a little bit on that side.
Yeah, just shave it off a little bit so it's...
Yep.
Oh, that's pretty good first time.
Doesn't it look like I know what I'm doing?
Look at that. Alright, so what is this going to become?
This is the nesting box.
Nesting box.
And like sleeping quarters. And the best thing about this was free. Most of the other stuff we bought was more expensive than I was anticipating, which is like hinges and wire cutters.
Oh, that's about where I expected that to be.
Like 200?
Yeah.
Anyway, you can't buy a chicken coop that will have the run size that we're making from a pet shop, because I saw one today that had a really cute little nesting box, but like the tiniest run ever, and it was like 300, so you know. This is going okay-ish. Got some brackets going on, got some somewhere there is a cruise ship that is making an awful lot of noise, so I cut off the feet. Good God, stop. So the drill doesn't fit in here, so we're just doing this bit by hand. What are you going to do?
I'm going to paint a D and a V for Daphne and Velma.
On the inside?
On the inside.
So what I've done is I used the jigsaw to cut out. Ooh, what exciting. I have screwed in a base.
Is that how the chickens are going to get out?
Yep. And
It might not be big enough.
No, it's perfect. Right now is just use the jigsaw to cut these two slats to make that like wider and stronger. I'm going to attach that, and then the whole thing will open. Six hours into the build. I'm really tired, my back hurts. As it turns out, I didn't just have sawdust in my throat. I'm really sick. I pretty much have lost my voice, and every time I cough I feel like I'm going to puke, so that's exciting. So probably it's going to take another day or two longer than I thought it was going to, because I can't really do anything at the moment. It's fine.
She's a photographer, she believes in documenting the truth.
So, it is day 4. This should have been done a long time ago, but we all got really sick and I just kind of spent 2 days in bed. And now, well, look at that, that's what's done. Anyway, I gotta do that again, and then the door, and then attach it to the run, and then put mesh over it. And then we're gonna get the chickens. I thought yesterday, and then I thought today, now I think tomorrow morning, because obviously they need a house before we can get them. Yep, that's good.
So 90 left, so you get to get your pick of the litter.
900 left.
900, Jesus Christ.
I called the farm and there's 900 left, so it's okay if we go tomorrow morning. Word to the wise, don't build a chicken coop when you've got the flu. I now have a metal splinter in my finger. These chickens better like their new house. Yeah, good job. So I just wrapped this in chicken wire. Didn't manage to get a video of that because one of us was having a rest inside. Well deserved rest. And part of the bottom of that collapsed. And now I've just reinforced it. Sorry, we've just reinforced it with another bit of wood. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully this will actually stay on now. Last day. Oh my god. gosh. Alright, we didn't finish painting. I did, however, get all of this done, which is quite an amazing feat considering I still feel like I'm going to die. Huh?
That's not tightening any further. All I'm doing is twisting the wood.
Okay, well, I don't know.
What, does it feel like this?
Kind of, but it won't hang straight. Try. Like, it technically fits in, but it's going to be weird when you put hinges on. Or is it alright?
This isn't straight.
Well, the ground is not flat, so yeah, correct.
Um,
Is it alright then?
it's a bit wonky, but it should be fine.
Please, can we just say it's fine? Alright, cool. So we just got the chickens, and I knew it wouldn't be nice, and I thought that it wouldn't be nice because we would see all of them, and we didn't actually see all of them. We only saw the ones we were getting and the ones another lady were picking up. The guy was like, "Oh, I'll go get your 5 chickens," and then he comes back like their feet are in his hands, and he's just like swinging his arms, carrying 5 chickens, and I was like, "What the fuck?" I was like, "Okay," and then he's like, put the cat boxes or whatever on their end, and he just like shoved them in. It was just really like, just honest. I don't know what I was expecting, but that pretty much. Oh yeah, they give you so much food. Just making sure you don't get hungry.